The annual International Exhibition on Plastics and Rubber Industries, Chinaplas. The recent exhibition concluded successfully at the National Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai. Industry leaders showcased their advancements in plastics and rubber technology. It was an international exhibition focusing on high-end, intelligent, and green development. Let's take a look back at this wonderful time together. Huarong Group at the exhibition demonstrated cutting-edge injection molding and manufacturing solutions. Firstly, our dual injection molding machine caught the eye, producing dual-color integrated refrigerator parts. Next, our Two-Platen injection machine, ideal for medium to large-scale injection molding, combined with a robot to showcase the production process of 18L storage boxes. Lastly, our vertical injection machine, integrated with automatic planning, inserted iron-made cutlery handles, finished products from the molding process, inspection of finished products. Finally, let's recall the wonderful moments of interaction at the booth. Thank you for your support and trust in Huarong. Huarong is your partner in injection molding, meeting all your injection molding needs.